Just filming a brief video on the Jeep Wrangler license plate delete plate with license plate holder, brake light, and license plate light. Quick tip: once you remove your spare tire holder carrier, you can remove this plastic plate that fits in here. Just pop it out carefully. You can. I had to cut. This is where the wire for the brake light normally comes out. I sliced it with a razor blade. I popped it out, sliced it with a razor blade. There may be a better way to get that out, but I was able to get the wire out. I came around the other side of the tailgate, removed this plate that sits right here like so, or like so. Remove that, pull that brake wire through, brake light wire through. It'll look like that. Connects right in here, and then I just fish it up over the top of the enclosed, because if you try to get in another way, it's enclosed here. You can't get through, so you have to go over the top here, through the back, and then you're able to reach in and pull it through. Now you have a nice clean install from behind. You're going to use, let's see on the back of here, you're going to use for the brake light your thicker black and white wires. The black wire is going to go to the striped white and orange, and your white wire is going to go to the black. And then it works. I already tested it. Everything worked fine. I'm going to try and make it as easy as possible to put this back if I ever decide to go back. And I'm going to buy something to get the wires to just slide right into these holes here. Or I'll just stick them in there and tape it nice so it doesn't shake loose. But you may want to splice them. I'm going to try to avoid splicing, but it's an option. It's very easily reversed if you decide to do that. So hopefully that helps. Oh, I'm also going to I'm going to go to the store now and buy some type of either gasket material or tape for the back side of this delete plate, just because this is metal here and it's kind of rough, and I don't want it scraping up the paint here. So I figured that'll give a little protection there. So if I do remove it, it's not all scratched up. Hope that helps you guys out. It should look nice and clean now, where you don't have that wire going across here. That's not too bad either, but I was just a little OCD. All right, hope that helps out. Bye. One more quick thing that I did. I went to Ace Hardware. You could probably go to any hardware store. I bought self-adhesive anti-skid pads, little rubber with self-adhesive on the back to place on the back of the plate. That way it's not metal on metal. You don't do damage. That should do the trick. Hope that helps.